Hi guys. Today I'm gonna show you another fidget spinner. Let me show you it. Where is it? Let me show you it. Here it is. It looks like a sun, and it's actually my cousin's. I stole it from her. Don't tell nobody. I hope she doesn't find out, cause she is crazy. For real. And dumb too. So this fidget spinner really spins fast. Look. It spins way faster than mine, doesn't it? Let me show you my other one. Oh, here it is, here it is, here it is. Here it is. Doesn't it? This one spins way fast. Okay, so, I was gonna, well, I don't know, but I'm gonna see which one can spin faster. So, yeah. Okay, so they're spinning. As you can see, there they are. Yep. My cousin's fidget spinner won. But the good thing about this one is that it glows in the dark. And this one's faster, but I don't care. So yeah. Let me just do something real quick. I think I'm gonna